In this video, I am going to show you what our next generation science standards or NGSS are. So if you look at the top bar right here, if you type in ngss.nsta.org, it will bring you to this website and you can watch the video that kind of shows you what it can look like in the classroom when these science standards are met. So I'm going to show you how to get to the standards and what the standards are for first grade. So if you look on this gray bar, I am going to click on the standards. Then it's going to bring me to all the next generation science standards for all grades. So I'm going to scroll down, and if you see, it breaks it up from kindergarten, first, second, and on. And so if you look at first grade in this row, these are all the science standards that we will be covering in first grade. So we will be covering life science, earth and space science, and physical science. And the engineering design is another science state standard. And so I'm going to show you what shows up when you click on one of those standards. It goes into further information about that science standard. So I'm going to click on the first grade life science standard, structure, function, and information processing. And so it will bring me to this page where it will tell you clearly students who demonstrate understanding can, and these are the 3 things that they will be able to do once this standard is addressed. And I'm going to scroll down further. This is where it breaks down the science and engineering practices that will be covered, the disciplinary core ideas, and cross-cutting concepts. And if you scroll further down, let's see, this shows you how the NGSS standards links to the Common Core state standards. And this is great for families to see. When we're teaching science, we are connecting it to the Common Core state standards. And so this is all the standards for literacy that it will be hitting, all the standards for mathematics that it will be hitting. And on the bottom, there are other links to look at. And so this is great for families to also browse through and see what kind of science standards are there. And if you didn't know any of them, this will help you clear up any confusion that you may have on what is being taught to your child in science.